Welcome to Wonderful Ride. Today I got a topic to how to pronounce Italian, German bike names that I really can't pronounce it. Let's challenge this. So we're gonna unlock some name today, bike names, and what is the letters behind the bike models like GS, RR, CB, GSX, and etc. So we're gonna see what are the names and what they stand for, the letters. Yeah. Okay. Before that, we go for some of the German and or Europe bikes, continental bikes, and the names. So mostly people know about BMW. What does BMW stand for? BMW, Bavaria Motor Works. Is it right? Okay. Then do you know about a KTM? And I really can't pronounce KTM name. So I gonna Google Translate. I will go to Google and I play how to pronounce. All right, let's try together. Here you go. All right, guys, I gotta play now. So their origin from Austria, but I can't find Austrian pronunciation, so I play in German for you.
Kraftfahrzeuge Trunkenpolsmattighofen.
Do you got it? I play one more time, all right? Okay.
Kraftfahrzeuge Trunkenpolsmattighofen.
I hope you get it. Kraftfahrzeuge Trunkenpolsmattighofen. I hope you got it. Right, next move on to another name, MV Agustas. All right, MV Agustas looks so simple. Meccanica Varghera. Varghera is the place that MV Agustas originally born. Meccanica Varghera. All right. The next one will be letters behind bike models. CB stand for city biker. If there is a R, stand for racing, city bike racer. Double R means racing replica or ready race. And do you know what is GS stand for? BMW GS. Glande and Straße, train and street. So next it will be VTR. What is VTR stand for? V-twin racing. VTR stand for V-twin racing. Okay, let's move on to the next one. GT stand for Gran Turismo. ST stand for Sport Touring. And I think most of you know about Z models, Kawasaki Z models like Z1000, Z800, Z900, Z600. There's it's for CC, a capacity of the bike. So R1 is R1000, R6 is R600, R3 is R300. I think most of you understand and what is this stand for. And do you know about Hayabusa and Blackbird? So when Honda come out with Blackbird, Hayabusa want to kill the Blackbird and they name it as Hayabusa. So they're between them, right? But it's politics within these two bikes, Hayabusa and Blackbird. And I hope guys we do learn some bike names and the letter on the bike. What is the meaning of the letter in the bikes, in the numbers. So I hope to see you in my next video. And if you're not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. for the new video. Stay safe, stay home, be healthy.